Okay, now we need to configure the environment. If you remember the step, it will be very easy. First, you need to create a path. You need to create a variable for the path and add it to your path variable. So let's take a look at our file. Okay, we go to opt eda vi-c eda. Now we add one more software. We add custom Explorer here. Then add the software path here. However, this is a new software. We don't know what the license port it uses. So we needed to take a look at here. You see, this is Synopsys. So we can click download here. We can click download here and check. Okay, we can check this file. Okay, so it uses 265A5 port. Okay, now we know that it uses 265A5. Then we can go to our directory and verify. We can go to our directory and verify 265A5 is configured, right? Thus, we don't need to modify this. Then we can test the software. Okay, we can test this software by type source opt eda -c eda. Then we can type cx. cx is the command to run Spice Explorer. Okay, then you can see there are something wrong. The port is 265A5 and the path is this. Okay, so after we complete, we can run test cx. Now we have encountered some problem cx here. It shows xcv. It was not found, right? No xcv. Okay, that's fine. We can solve this problem later.